Hi everyone. Today, I will discuss with you the amazing project management tool to manage your products and your projects. So, let me give you the brief overview. There are my projects, all projects. It contains of to-dos, goals, whiteboards, thing, data, all. Let uh, go with them step by step. For example, you can create a board. For example, you can name this as wireframing, and you can create here uh, the star file. For example, you have to develop a simple uh, e-commerce app related to online order of the burger shop. So, what you will do, you will first of all make your goals, and you will write here the goal is mobile app development for burger shop, and you will save it. You can keep the status. It's on track, at risk, or miss. For example, I start today's date and end up with next month. So the here the subject for number of screens. I save it. Now this is my goal and which is on track. And from the data room, you first of all you will go to files. Here you can browse the files. Let's suppose I'm randomly adding this file. All your files, your wireframing, your any related file, all will be saved here. And when you will click on documents, you can create article. For example, you need the business requirements. Here you can all save the written material, and here, for example, I am in bullets points. I'm writing that what I'm gonna need. I need mobile application or burger shop. I can browse different deals. I can avail discounts. I can order my meal. I can pay. I can mark my favorite meal. Okay, these are just an examples. We don't normally write like that, but just to show you how the lean software works. And for example, here in to-dos, I will go to in the Kanban, you can see that which are in the progress, which are waiting for the approval, which are done. Here, I'll go to the list and I will go to the registration. of users. Then I'm going to this new. Now I have different options. Add to do, add milestone or create some print. For example, I will add the milestone. There will be, for example, four milestones in my app. Number one, registration of users. I save it. Now I will add other milestone. Order meal. This should be my milestone. Third milestone gonna be the payment module, and depends on, I can select the already added milestone whether it depends. Yes, it depends on order meal. I can choose its color, and these you can set by your own. Here I have got notification milestone created successfully. This milestone, the last milestone, that's shipping method. Also depends upon order. No, sorry, payment module. I give it a color pink and let's save it. Okay, so now I will add to do introduce. Here I will enter the title. What are, for example, in registration of skills, there will be several to do's. The number one to do in the registration is enter email, save it. I can add a description that user must be able to log in by adding email. You can add the sticker. We can save it. Related to not other to-dos, we will discuss this later. And process. For example, if I go to Kanban, the all added milestones and all to-dos will be here. This enter email was a to-do and not a milestone. Here it giving me option to which milestone I should label this. For example, I will label this enter email to the registration of users. So if it is in progress, I will put it here. If it is done, I will put it here. So first of all, we need to go to these list. After this, we can go to Kanban and then we will see this window. Then we will go to timeline. I didn't define the specific time or were the same date, so they are all showing like that. And when you go to calendar, it will automatically will be saying like this. And the table will be this. Here I can define the efforts is like it's medium, it's a small effort, or it's a large effort, or it's a small effort. So it's very, very, very handy and useful than Trello and Jira. You only need to define all the milestones and all the to-dos in this. Create sprint is what we actually do. For example, it's whole sprint is like a goal. It's our whole sprint. The actual all the to-dos and all the milestones will be under sprint. So it will be a mobile application. Let's suppose I save it. Here it is saying create sprint created successfully. Okay, so this whiteboard is very interesting. You can define, uh, you don't need to collaborate with UI UX designers. They can also do their work here. Let's continue with this one. For example, I need, we can save image as canvas background. I will put this color. Now I'm using this red stroke for the process. For example, registration. I'm entering here. This is for the text. I am writing here registration. And what goes under registration? It is, I'm using orange color. I can copy paste this and we can define here like with the arrow. Where there should be name here and there should be email and there should be the phone number. Now first we select the text and then we write. This is the text window. I can also drag it or I can drag this. I can drag this so that it comes neatly. Other module was order meal. Put the text. I'll select favorite meal like this. We can define the whole diagram and these things will be ideas. Like if you have any idea related to the, for example, order meal, you need to implement a different idea. You can select simple that there should be discount option. Let's suppose there is a cheesiest website. I open it. You want this, you will need to ask the developers to first design this window. You will click this URL and you will put it here and save it. And you can say that the landing window should be like this and you can save it. So there is ideas you can see this. You can also add the URL link. Now, the ideas that I added, it will be showing like this. This is idea wall, and we can label it that it is accepted or in review. It is developing. We can add status of idea. It's the blueprint. We can do SWOT analysis, business model, and we can explore these options as well. Retrospective. We can add that we can, after the project has been done, what went well, we can select from this, or we can write our description that the payment method. For example, it was went well, we can write this description that all the methods were successful. We can also write the stats that the payment by cash was most in ratio, and just save it. When we go to the project overview, it shows the status of the work and how much things are completed, how much are in progress, who are the team members. We can invite users from here. And yeah, this is the defined scope, set field, set time. And here all we can see that our latest to-dos. So this was just a rough idea about the lean time, about the project management. So hopefully come up with the most generic and most other exciting projects with the real examples. Thank you for watching.